Nature. Field. You can see sheep in the field. Sky. The sky is clear. Sun. The sun is shining brightly. Moon and stars. The moon and stars come out at night. Comet. A comet is moving fast across the sky. Clouds. There are clouds in the sky. Grass. The sheep in the field are eating grass. Tree. Leaves. There are leaves in the tree. Mountains. You can see a range of mountains in the distance. Rain. Rainbow. As soon as it stopped raining, a beautiful rainbow appeared. River. The boat is sailing down the river. Rocks. Flowers. The field is full of wild flowers. Fir tree. There is a rabbit under the fir tree. Bushes. The rabbit wants to hide in the bushes. Bridge. The man is crossing the bridge. Path. He is walking down the path. Lake. A man is fishing in the lake. Plants. There are many plants around the lake. Hills. Hills are easier to climb than mountains. Pond. A pond is smaller than a lake. Cattails. Lily pad. Water lily. Mushrooms. Some people like gathering wild mushrooms. Forest. Many plants and animals live in the forest. Stream. The animals are running across the stream. Meadow. A stream is passing through the meadow. Cave. A bear lives in a cave. Jungle. A jungle has much vegetation. Waterfall. I can see a beautiful waterfall in the jungle. Palm trees. The palm trees love warm climates. Lagoon. Flamingos love swimming in the lagoon. Island. An island is surrounded by water. Ocean. Around 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Coral reefs. They form around islands throughout the world. Beach. Sea. People like going to the beach and swimming in the sea. Sand. Children love playing in the sand. Wave. You can see waves in the sea. Snow. Glacier. Ice. Glaciers are made of ice, and they are always on the move. Iceberg. Icebergs break off from glaciers. Volcano. Smoke. Lava. The volcano has been erupting and expelling rivers of lava. Canyon. There is a river flowing through the canyon. Cactus. You can see many beautiful cacti in the canyon. Desert. Deserts are the driest places on Earth. Oasis. The camels have finally reached the oasis. Savanna. You can see many animals in the savanna, and just a few trees. Valley. There is a village in the valley surrounded by mountains. Cliff. The wolf is standing on the edge of the cliff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website www.kidspages.com.